Hey, so remember last time we teased with the power move? All right, so let's talk honestly. And I told you up front, I'm unfiltered. While my house was very much full of happy emotions for my kids, divorce doesn't happen just because you're happy. It happens because there's problems. And the problems have been going on for a while, and where I will never share what they were, and I will never say anything ill about my ex. I wish him all the best and glad he's happy with his girlfriend, and wish him all the best sincerely. Um, there, there were ghosts in that house that you can't get rid of. So part of the downsizing process is I'm in my own happy place that doesn't have the bad memories attached to it.
Oh, there you go.
There's no ghost here. My Norfolk house had a real ghost, but yeah, they hopefully whoever's living there now is nice to her. But and whether you've lost a spouse through death, which my heart goes out to you, or you're like me and you just got rid of one.
Me too.
Yeah, you too. So part of it is like you have to value your own personal peace and the peace in your house. And as much as I loved my old house, there was still that negative energy around it. And I just felt like a lot of times when I went home, it just wasn't a happy place to be, even after he was gone.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Mm-hmm.
When there's always that negative memory
Mm-hmm.
or that negative energy in the house, then, it's time to take back the power and take back control and make that decision.
And that's what I did. I took power. Well, I gave myself the power that I needed to have the life I wanted. And, it was a tough decision. It was a very, very, very hard decision to do. And in hindsight, I wish I had done it years before. But, everything always works out the right time and the right way when you let the universe kind of take its own thing. But if we're talking peace and ghosts and all that, we're going to talk universe.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And, but your house, you never shared with your ex.
Nope. Me taking back the power was the decision to make a home or buy a home that could become a real home for my children.
Mm-hmm.
Early on in my divorce, I had a small condominium, and it was something that, the children really never were able to grow and enjoy it because it was small. We were very, very close knit. And then I finally took back the power and I made the decision that I'm going to buy a bigger home that the children can have their own space and grow into their own people there, which, didn't necessarily go over well with my ex because she liked having the power of having the only true stable home that the children had ever known. And that's why I made my decision.
And again, wherever you live, you should be happy. You should pull
Absolutely.
up at that front door and feel comfortable going in and go, I'm at home. This is awesome. This is great. And if you're not, we need to talk.
Your happy place.
Yeah. Your home should be your happy place, your happy, safe place. So next time, guys, we're going to talk about doing it on your own timeline. But in the meantime, if you have questions, you know how to reach me, you know how to reach David, and we will be more than happy to help you through the process when you're ready and see where it goes. But as always, appreciate you.
Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.
Bye.